forest resources. Hello friends, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Soil and forest resources. Chapter 18. It's PDF created by me. So topic is soil. Definition. Loose. Loose surface material, rock, mineral, humus, water, air. Supporting plants is called soil. Composition. Nearly 90% inorganic withered rock, nearly 10% organic humus. Importance. Plant support nutrients, water absorption, agriculture base. Factors of soil formation. Parent material. Source of texture minerals, acidic rocks, sandy, basic rocks, clay. Fertile. Example taken black soil from basalt. Climate. Dominant factor rainfall, leaching in humid areas, downward movement, calcification in arid areas, upward accumulation. Temperature. Influence reaction rates, chemical, biological. Organic matter. Plants, animal, microbes decompose to form humus, improves structure, aeration, fertility. Topography. Influences thickening, erosion, steep slope leads to thin, stony, flat areas, thick soils. Time. Duration of formation hard rocks centuries, alluvium decades. Human efforts. Positive agriculture irrigation, negative deforestation overgrazing. Soil profile horizons. Definition vertical section showing layers. O horizon. Surface litter partially decayed. Organic matter. A horizon topsoil. Fertile humus minerals zone of alluviation leaching out. B horizon subsoil. Alluvial layer accumulation of leached material like clay. Iron oxides less fertile. C horizons partially withered parent rocks parent material. Next is RD horizon unwithered bedrock absent in alluvial soils. Soil forming process. Humification. Here is organic matter to humus. OA horizon. Laterization. Humid tropics. Severe leaching removes silica, leaves Fe or L, iron or aluminum oxide infertile laterites. What is calcification? Arid, semi-arid calcium carbonate accumulates in upper layer upward water movement. It is called calcification. What is salinization? Soluble salt accumulate in poorly drained arid soil. Example over irrigation. Next is what is photosolution? Cool, humid, temperate leaching of humus nutrient form as gray A horizon and hard pan in B horizon. Glaciation. Cold, wet, oxygen deficient tundra forms sticky bluish gray soils. Soil deposition. Transport of debris by water, alluvial, wind, aeolian, and glacier, moraine forms underdeveloped azonal soil. Classification of soils based on color. Black, high humus, volcanic origin, very fertile. Brown, low iron humus. Red, high iron oxide, moderately fertile. Yellow, hydrated iron, less fertile. White, high calcium salts, low fertility. Based on texture. Sandy, coarse, more than 80% sand, good drainage, poor water retention. Loam, balanced sand clay, ideal for agriculture. Clay, fine, less than 0.002 mm, high water retention, poor drainage. Zonal classification. Zonal soils, mature climate, vegetation dominant. What is pedalfo? High aluminum iron, humid. Example pedjol laterite. What is pedogal? High calcium, arid, semi-arid. Example Cernozem or desert soil. What is interzonal soil? Immature, local factor, dominant. Example Rangina regur. Azonal soils, young, no profile development. Example alluvial moraine. Next is forest resources. So first is introduction. Definition: land more than 1 hectare or and more than 10% tree canopy as per forest. Importance: habitat, carbon sink, climate regulation, soil conversion, economic resources. Indian forest coverage ISFR 2021 21.71% forest cover 7,13,789 km per square. Total forest and tree cover 24.62%. It's about Indian forest. Biodiversity hotspot Himalayas, Indo-Burma, Western Ghat, Sunderland. Laws: Indian Forest Act 1927, Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Forest Conservation Act 1980, FRA Forest Right Act 2006. Policies are target 33% forest cover, 60% hills, 20% plains. Types of forest in India: champions and set. Tropical forest hot, wet evergreen, more than 200 cm rain, Western Ghat, northeast dense, tall ironwood. Mahogany, tiger elephant, semi evergreen, 150 to 200 cm rain, transition type. Sal rosewood, moist deciduous, 100 to 200 cm rain, 3 to 4 month dry season, most widespread. Teak, sal, tiger and elephant. Littoral and swamps, mangroves, coastal saline, Sundarban, Andaman and Nicobar, Rhizophora, Sundari, saltwater, crocodile, tiger. Dry diseases, 80 to 120 cm rain, long dry seasons, widespread. Teak, sandalwood, elephant, sloth bear, thorn, 20 to 80 cm rain, arid Rajasthan, Gujarat, Acacia, Prospis, lion, black buck. Dry evergreen, 100 to 120 cm northeast monsoon, Tamil Nadu coast, Ceylon wood. Subtropical forest, moderate temperature, 1000 to 2000 meter. Broad-leaved hill, Nilgiri, Himalayas, oak rosewood. Pine, Himalayas, chir pine, khasi pine. Dry evergreen, Shivalik, Indian olive. Mountain temperate forest, cooler 1500 to 3500 meter. Next is wet temperate, more than 200 cm rain, Nilgiri, northeast oak, rhododendron, Nilgiri Thar. Himalayan moist, Kashmir and HP Himachal Pradesh, Deodar Fir, red panda. Himalayan dry, Ladakh dry valley, Chilgoza, Deodar snow leopard. Alpine forest, cold above timberline. Subalpine, 2700 to 3000 meter, Himalayas birch. Rhododendron, musk deer. Moist alpine scrub above timberline. Wet, silver fir. Juniper snow leopard, dry alpine scrub. Dry high altitude, black juniper. And honeysuckle, snow leopard. Third is deforestation, clearing forest for other land uses, causing ecological imbalance. It's called deforestation. Extent, global forest area reduced from nearly 6.2 to nearly 4 billion hectare. Net loss nearly 5.2 million hectare per year, 2000 to 2010. Causes: agriculture expansion primary, shifting cultivation zoom, fuel wood commercial logging, urbanization development, mining, overgrazing, forest fire. Conservation strategies: FLR, forest landscape restoration. CFM, community forest management. JFM, sacred groves. Carbon credits, red plus. Financial incentive, EFR, Environmental Fiscal Reform. SFM, Sustainable Forest Management, 21 GCS indicator. UN SPF 2017 to 2030. 6 Global Forest Goals. GF, GFGS linked to SDGs, example 3%. Forest increase by 2030. India State of Forest Report ISFR 2021 by FSI. Key findings. Forest cover 21.71%, tree cover 2.91%, total 24.62%. Increases 2019 to 21 plus 0.22% forest plus 0.676% tree. Mangrove cover plus 17 km square. Carbon stock 7,204 plus 79.4 metric ton. 56% from soil organic carbon. Fire vulnerability 22.27% of forest area. Climate hotspot projection. Highest temperature rise J&K, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Highest rainfall increases Northeast state, Upper Malabar coast. Definition: forest cover less than more than 1 hectare, more than 10% canopy density. Tree cover, tree patches less than 1 hectare outside RFA. Soil organic carbon, decomposed plant animal matter, key for soil health. So this was the end of the lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Please subscribe the channel and like the video so that UPSC focused videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.